Crocus. Key features and information. Botanical name. Crocus is a genus in the iris family, Iridaceae. There are over 90 species including the popular Crocus sativus, Saffron Crocus, and Crocus vernus, spring crocus. Habitat. Crocuses are native to Europe, North Africa, and Asia, thriving in temperate regions. They are often found in meadows, woodlands, and rocky areas and are widely cultivated in gardens worldwide. Leaves. Crocus leaves are narrow and grass-like with a characteristic white stripe running down the center. They emerge alongside or slightly after the flowers. Flowers. Crocus flowers are cup-shaped and grow close to the ground, creating a stunning carpet-like effect when planted in mass. Colors. Crocus flowers come in a range of vibrant hues including purple, yellow, white, lavender, and striped varieties. Structure. Each flower has 6 petal-like tepals, 3 petals and 3 sepals, and a central column with bright orange or yellow stamens. Fragrance. Some varieties like the Saffron Crocus have a subtle, sweet fragrance. Blooming time. Crocuses are seasonal bloomers, categorized into 2 groups. 1. Spring flowering crocuses. These bloom in late winter or early spring, often breaking through snow and signaling the arrival of spring. 2. Autumn flowering crocuses. These bloom in the fall including Crocus sativus, the source of saffron. Adaptations. Cold resistance. Spring crocuses can withstand freezing temperatures, making them ideal for early season gardens. Corms. Crocuses grow from underground corms which store nutrients and allow the plant to survive in adverse conditions. Cultural symbolism. Crocuses symbolize cheerfulness, youthfulness, and rebirth, especially as one of the first flowers to bloom in spring. In Greek mythology, the crocus is associated with the story of Crocus and Smilax, symbolizing love and transformation. Uses. 1. Gardens. Crocuses are popular in rock gardens, lawns, and borders, often planted in clusters for a naturalized look. They are especially valued for their early bloom, providing color when few other flowers are in bloom. 2. Culinary. The stigmas of Crocus sativus are harvested as saffron, a prized spice used in cooking and traditional medicine. 3. Medicinal. Saffron is known for its potential health benefits, including mood enhancement and antioxidant properties. Ecological importance. Pollinator support. Crocus flowers are an early source of nectar and pollen for bees and other pollinators during cooler seasons. Low maintenance. They are drought-tolerant and thrive in poor soils, making them an eco-friendly choice for gardens. Crocuses are cherished for their vibrant colors, seasonal significance, and versatility. Whether adding early spring charm to gardens or producing the world's most expensive spice, crocuses remain a symbol of beauty and resilience.